A Delaware woman has just found out she is the winner of a contest that she entered more than 2 decades ago. Action News reporter Catherine Scott is here with some very strange details. Catherine?
Jim, it was called the Message in a Bottle contest. The bottle hit the water off Ocean City, New Jersey. It took 24 years and traveled 300 miles all the way to Duck, North Carolina. It washed up after a nor'easter 2 weeks ago. Someone spotted it and followed the directions written almost a quarter century earlier. It's been 24 years, but Heidi Mozo remembers that July back in 1985. It was long before she moved here to Claymont, Delaware, and started a family with her husband. She was still Heidi K. Wursler from Earlville, Pennsylvania, just 6 years old, and needed her mother's help to fill out this form.
I was a little girl, and we were vacationing down in Ocean City. We go there every year, and there was a contest to put a message in a bottle, so my mom entered me in the contest.
Contestants filled out this message with their name and contact information and had to find a bottle to carry it. The one that traveled the farthest was the winner.
I remember we were asking vendors on the boardwalk for any type of bottle, ketchup bottles, and someone must have given us that bottle.
The deadline for the contest was a month later, August 1st, 1985. But Heidi's bottle had its own plans. It turned up 2 weeks ago in North Carolina. A worker at an Outer Banks resort opened the bottle sealed tightly by Heidi's father 24 years prior and called the number for the Ocean City Public Relations Office.
Heidi Wursler it was. Well, of course, we thought it was a grown person, and she probably was, maybe in an old age home by now.
That's amazing.
But after tracking her down, Soifer is crowning her contest champion, even if the bottle turned up a little bit late.
They're getting a 3-day vacation in Ocean City for first night, getting a big box of saltwater taffy, and they're getting a piece of the walk.
I'm just amazed by the whole thing. I just can't believe after 24 years that bottle finally was found.
It is pretty amazing. Now, that Message in a Bottle contest doesn't exist anymore. Soifer even admitted it wasn't the most environmentally friendly of ideas. Instead, now he says there's a Message in a Bag contest to help the less fortunate, and neither the bags nor the messages end up in the ocean. Jim.
Great story, Catherine. Thank you.